Hello everyone, here I am in the park and this is my third vlog, and I thought that this is a good way to interact with my learners. So my goal is to express the scene, live picture while showing you, so that you can pick good vocabulary and add your own English. So today is Sunday, as you know, and now everybody is out of their houses to just soak the sun, and because of the holiday everybody want to enjoy this day. Nobody want to miss the boat. So everybody avail this opportunity, and because the today's weather is very clear, bright, sun is on its peak, and there is a beautiful morning. Here we can see everybody in soaking the sun. So the families who don't have sun come inside their rooms, their houses. They want to come out. They just finish their house chores so that they can get the sun in the park, where you can say so many people is there, and everybody want to enjoy this moment, because in the winter usually this sun gives us a relief. Everybody wants to bask the sun. Why? Because with the sun we can get relief of bone chilly cold. So you can see here in the park, I am this time just walking, taking a stroll and basking in the sun, and try to capturing this moment in my heart. So that's why here is very beautiful scenery, very peaceful, tranquil. Park is very neat and clean, and this park is nearby to my house, so that's why it is easy for me also. Sometime I usually come here in the winter, but in the summer I usually come in evening to have my walk. So you can see here the children are playing on the swing. They are enjoying, they are very happy and in jovial mood, because today is Sunday, so there is no any tension to go to school and completing their homework. They are totally free, and just I will show you the picture of the children. They are enjoying swings, and some couples are here just relaxing in the park, because there is so many benches also. So beautiful scenery, serene, peaceful, tranquil. I have no words to describe. Why? Because when we get the relief, then the feeling and the emotion has no word, ineffable. So here you can see the huge tree just holding their majesty. You can see here, and they are holding their majesty because they are adding the beautification in this scenery. And lot of couple has gone already, because in the morning, early morning, I have seen there are so many people taking rest, but now I think it's afternoon. Everybody went to their home. Sorry, everybody went home because home के साथ टू नहीं लगता है. Everybody went home. If we talk about home, then we should not use to. Okay. So everybody went home, and now you can see here I want to show you the picture of the sun and the park where so many people taking rest in their leisure time, and if they have work, they just want to finish within no time, so that everybody want to take the sun, soak in the sun, so that to get some relief, we can say, just mitigate their coldness. Because yesterday I thought the sun is not properly in the morning and the day was not that bright, and yesterday the little bit fog and hazy. So that's why the day is very clean, bright and pleasant, we can say, because when we soak in the sun, then we feel that what a pleasant moment. And in the night we also want sun, but it can't happen. So because of this word, my motto is not to show you that this is not a traveling vlog, this is an English vlog. So here I am using new words, new vocabulary and framing sentences, because by this way you can learn English, you can learn your new vocabulary and you can add in your vocabulary. It's a beginner, for the beginners it is very useful, worthful, I want to say. And I also want to don't go out from in front of the sun. I don't want to get out from here. So I'm feeling good in the sun, but I have to show you the picture of the children so that you can get some vocabulary. And here some old people, usually because they are the senior citizen, they come here usually at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, because they have no work, no office work, no homework. House chore is not for them, not too much, because their family members can handle the house chores, and because of the senior citizen, they don't get any permission, just they want to come out in the sun and want to soak the sun, so that because of coldness they want to get relief, and their coldness dissipate within no time when they just sit in the sun. Here the children is playing, you can see what they are doing. Just describe your own word. This is the live picture. They are enjoying, they are sharing, they are helping each other, they are enjoying the swings. See, and they are looking very nice. Just enjoying their childhood. This is their salad day. Salad day means child day. Salad day, child days. And this day can't be regained. This day we can't recall again, and we can't get again and again. This is the moment when once passed, can't be gained again. Here you can say, because to see them, I am mesmerizing my childhood also. So you can see, in just reminding me to my childhood when we were playing like this. See, you can see here, they are fighting, they are enjoying, they are laughing, they are just pushing each other. Just they take the one other's turn, and they are wearing cap, sweaters, and bundled up themselves so that they don't get chill wind. So they are just free from the every responsibility to see the happiness. You can see the surge of happiness. Now this time they are in jovial mood, just ecstatic, just thrilling to see the swing, and want to stay here for a long time. But it is difficult for them because they have to go their home. See how they are doing, how they are behaving to each other. And this scene is just reminding my salad day, my childhood. No doubt everybody miss their childhood, their children, their salad day. So you can see here, now they are just embracing each other. And now this is the point when maybe one of them can get hurt, but they are just no worry about them, these things, and they are just playing. And now you can see here lot of people playing, lot of people taking walk, because in the morning, because due to cold day, some person can't get the time. They could not make out how they can go ahead to stick their regular walk. But anyhow, in the sun, it is easy for them. And when they don't get time, when they did not get time in the morning, they just try to come out in the afternoon, because of the winter, it is a good thing. Because of the winter, it is a good thing. We can go out, we can head out any time before evening, because in the evening it is difficult, it is tough to confront the cold waves. So that's why in the winter we can get this advantage, that we can head out, we can step out from our house. So, and for do anything, we can say shopping, we can, if you want to enjoy you want to stick the regular walk, like walking, you can take your walk, your exercise in the winter when the sun is there and at their full brightness and at their own full peak. Then it is easy for everyone in the winter to head out from their house. So, but in the summer, it is very difficult for everyone. After 11 or 12, we can't get out, we can't step out from our house to do anything, because too much scorching heat don't let us go out for doing any work, maybe shopping, maybe sometime we have to go some work, some personal work, but it's very tough time then we have to bear, because scorching heat is much difficult to bear. Or in the winter, if the sun is there at full swing, at full their peak, then it is easy for everyone to complete their work, because in the sun we can do our house chore more actively. Means to say that we have enough energy when we have got the sun, we recharge ourselves while soaking in the sun, and we get charged, we have full of energy, and we can get their work little bit early than the summer. So here is my way to speak with you and make your vocabulary rich, so that you can also take some words. I have used so many words: jovial, I used majestic, serene, tranquil, brightness, swing, and one idiom one an idiom I have used there. I forgot, but in the initial stage I used a idiom also. But anyhow, you can, if you listen, then you can note down and try to speak in your English. And now I am winding up this vlog, because my motto is not to show the park, my motto is show the scene, live picture. So you can describe in your way. If I am describing, you can take the words and use in your vocabulary, and here is a way to learn the English. So there you can see so many benches, swings, tree with their height, they just standing like a pillar and giving us freshing air, because in the winter with the sun we feel good. This is my vlog is going, I'm just going to wind up, and you can listen this video so that you can find some good vocabulary and add your own vocabulary and describe this live picture on your way. Thanks.